Walk into any room, a boardroom, a construction site, a men's locker room, it doesn't matter where, within 2 minutes you know who runs that room. We don't talk about it openly, but every man feels it. It is the unspoken hierarchy. Amongst human men, there is always an alpha, and everyone else falls into line. But is being a beta really a sign of weakness? Or is it the glue that keeps society from collapsing? Today, we are exploring the uncomfortable truth about why men organize themselves this way. Are we just pack animals in suits and jeans? Let's cut to the chase. We like to romanticize the idea of the lone wolf, the guy who needs no one. But in nature, the lone wolf is usually the dead wolf. Men are basically a wolf pack, and an alpha wolf without betas is just a lone wolf. And lone wolves starve. The alpha cannot hunt the mammoth alone. He cannot build the skyscraper alone. He cannot fight the war alone. He provides the direction, but the betas, the pack, provide the muscle, the execution, and the survival. The hierarchy isn't about oppression, it's about efficiency. Society has turned the word beta into an insult, but let's look at reality. Being a beta in a specific situation doesn't mean you are weak, submissive, or fearful. It simply means you are not in charge of this specific mission. Take a surgical team. The lead surgeon is the alpha. He calls the shots. If the anesthesiologist starts arguing with him or trying to take over, the patient dies. The anesthesiologist isn't weak, he is highly trained and vital, but in this room, he plays a supporting role to ensure success. In a football game, not everyone can be the quarterback. If the linemen decided they all wanted to be the alpha and hold the ball, the team would lose every single game. Accepting a beta role is often a sign of discipline, not weakness. It is the ability to say, I trust the leadership here, and I will execute my job perfectly to help the pack win. This brings us to the most important point. The hierarchy is fluid. A man who is an alpha in one room is often a beta in the next. It changes based on competence. Imagine a CEO. In his office, he is the undisputed king. He commands hundreds of employees. He is the alpha. But put that same CEO on a golf course with a pro instructor. Suddenly, the dynamic flips. The instructor tells him where to stand, how to hold the club, and when to swing. The CEO shuts up and listens. In that moment, the instructor is the alpha, because he possesses the knowledge the CEO needs. Or take a young, physically dominant man. In the gym, he might be the alpha. He's the strongest. He sets the tone. But when he walks into a lecture hall, he sits down and listens to a 70-year-old professor. Why? Because the professor holds the intellectual alpha card. The young man submits to the hierarchy of knowledge. You see, true confidence isn't about trying to dominate every single person you meet. That's insecurity. True confidence is knowing when you are the captain, and knowing when you are the soldier. Of course, when two men who both think they should be alpha enter the same room, friction occurs. We've all seen it. The power struggle, the pissing contest. But the wisest men avoid this. They know their strengths, they know their territory, and they know that sometimes, the smartest move is to let someone else lead the way through the dark. So ask yourself, where do you fit in? Are you the lone wolf starving in the cold, or are you part of a pack? And are you secure enough in your manhood to follow when it's time to follow, and lead when it's time to lead? If you like this video, in the next one we will discuss how modern women are also alphas and betas in the wolf pack of the 21st century, and how real men celebrate this. Let us know in the comments, is the alpha-beta label useful, or is it outdated? Like and subscribe for more discussions on male psychology.